Hi, this is Proc with iRepairMD. Today we have a iPad mini. As you can see, the Digitizer is broken, a cracked screen, and Digitizer still works, but the glass is cracked. Today I'm going to show you guys how to repair this, and how to solder the IC chip yourself, and how to unsolder the IC chip too. So we'll go ahead and begin. First thing we need to do is power off the device. Go ahead, shut it off. And now with a heat gun, apply heat to the edges right here. Alright, put on heat. Concentrate heat on the top. Alright, razor just enough that you can sneak guitar pick underneath, like this. Okay. See, run a guitar pick down. Use this spacer here. Keep it in place. Now add more heat. Take your time on it. You don't want to force it, else the additional glass would shatter. Once you get to a point where you can put a spacer, go ahead and do so. And just run it all the way around the same way, using the same technique, and you'll be good. Go ahead and put some more wedges here. Alright, so apply more heat all around. Alright, so now you got most of it off. Once you get a good grip on the majority of the glass has been lifted, just apply enough heat to actually loosen the rest of the glue. You should be able to peel it off carefully. Okay, so now you should be able to just peel it off. Just like that. Try not to get it to LCD. Alright, so now should be able to just raise it. Okay. Up slowly. Alright. So now slowly lift it up. Okay. Alright, so now you have this removed. What you need to do now is just with a screwdriver just remove the screws, this area here. Try not to get anything on the LCD. Okay. Always good to use a tray where you can hold your screws. Okay. And these are sealed. What you do is with a razor, and tweezer here, pull it off, save it for next time. Same on this side. Okay. Alright, so now just carefully lift this LCD out. Add a little heat. Loosen the glue up, but not too much, like you damage the LCD.
Yeah. Yeah, he's right.
Damn it. Hold on, thing. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I got 5 screen for you, dude. Yeah, he doesn't speak English. Yeah, I know. Alright man, I'll be here. Alright man, bye. Yep, Mr. Ron.
Who doesn't speak English? Okay.
My father-in-law.
Oh. Oh, he called?
Yeah.
Why don't you use your phone? I think your phone got a better camera.
No.
Really? You try it?
Yeah. Carefully lift this up. Alright, so now lift the LCD up. Like so. Alright, so now you have these tapes here holding the LCD. So what you do is go ahead and snip it off. Okay. Don't need these tape. There you go. Pull it up. Now you have this one right over here. Right, so you pull that up.